Hello everybody and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to connect Canva to N8N using just the HTTP request node. This method allows you to directly call Canva's API and use the response data inside your workflows. Let's take a moment to understand what each platform does. Canva is a popular online design tool. It allows you to create graphics, presentations, social media posts, and more, all in your browser. It's used by individuals and teams to make professional-looking designs quickly, without needing advanced design skills. N8N is an open-source automation platform. It lets you connect different apps and services, automate tasks, and create workflows without writing much code. With N8N, you can schedule actions, move data between tools, and react to events across many platforms. Start by opening your N8N dashboard and creating a new workflow. Add an HTTP request node to the canvas. This is the only node you'll use to connect to Canva. Set the HTTP method to GET. In the URL field, enter. This is the endpoint that returns a list of your designs from Canva. To authenticate the request, go to the authentication section of the node and choose OAuth 2. Then click on Create New Credentials. In the Client ID field, enter this. In the Client Secret field, enter this ID. Once all the fields are filled, click on Connect. This will open a browser window where you log into Canva and give permission to the app. When the authorization is complete, you'll be returned to N8N with your credentials saved. Back in the HTTP request node, make sure your Canva credentials are selected. Now, click Execute node. The request will be sent to Canva's API, and if the setup is correct, you will see a list of your designs in the response. Each design object contains fields like the ID, name, and created date. Now that you have the design data, you can use it in other nodes within your workflow. If you want to clean up or format the data, add a set node after the HTTP node. This allows you to select specific fields or rename them for clarity. You can also add a Google Sheets node if you want to log the design names into a spreadsheet, or send them through email, Slack, or any other service supported by N8N. This is a clean way to integrate Canva into your N8N workflows without depending on any built-in nodes or webhooks. It's flexible, easy to replicate, and works with any Canva endpoint that supports authenticated requests.